Hey, what's up, viewers? This is JR here from On the Other Side of the Road, and I'm taking you on a ride today to Stonybrook, Long Island. There's a park called Avalon Park there. Beautiful park. It's got a small little pond, really decorated, very manicured and everything, and they have some trails inside. And inside the trails, there's a sphere, a steel sphere that we're gonna go check out. All right, let me get back to you on that. Okay. Okay, we are in the vicinity now. I just came off the main road and I'm on this nice back road right here, and the entrance, or it's supposed to be like a street, but it's really not, but it does have a name to it. So we're gonna catch a left coming up here soon, and yeah, here it is. Now mind you, warning for all those that are going to be coming through here, it is a little bit of a dirt road, as you can see, and it's pretty bumpy and it's a little tricky getting through. So be very careful on how you navigate through here. Don't make any sudden moves or any sudden accelerations, because you'll probably kick the bike from under you and go down, because it's a little tricky here, you know. I think at this point I should have put dirt tires just to get through here, right? Okay, here we go. We're gonna throw the bike in this little parking spot here and walk in. Hey, what's up, viewers? So we made it here. We're parked over here. There's a little parking spot there. You'll see a couple of them more down this way. So I made it in. Got the bike parked. It was a little bit of a trek, as you saw in the video. Coming in, it was a little grimy there, bumpy, you know, because this is all dirt road. So now I'm going to take you inside there where the stainless steel sphere is. Okay, so we're going to come down this way here, and it should be all the way inside, and then a quick left turn, or we can go that way. But I came through here last time, so let's just stick with this here. So let's walk it in. Okay, here's the entrance going into the where the sphere is at, and there it is. How cool is that? A stainless steel ball, huh? All polished up. Oh, looks a little dirty. Well, it's a beautiful day for a nice nature walk here. I mean, look at all these. Come here with the family, hang out, your girlfriend, whoever. Come out here, take a little nature walk. There's a lot of trails here going on the backside over that way. There's more. I mean, if you're a nature person, this place is for you. Now there's a structure right there that looks like a telescope kind of thing. I'm gonna walk over there and see what that is there. Well, unfortunately, we cannot go to the telescope lab there. They call it the Sky Lab. There's some things here being said. They said that this area is open for events only, and so we won't be able to see that little structure there with the Sky Lab. Okay, guys, so we're gonna head back over to the little pond now and go check out the swans and the geese and the ducks, everything down there. It's gonna be real cool. All right, catch you in a few. Alright guys, we made it down here. We're going to go in there right now. We're going to check out the whole ducks and the swans and everything, and whatever else is in there. Let's go check it out. guy thinks I'm gonna feed him. What's up? Sorry, I don't got no food for you today. Okay, so I got you up to the stainless steel ball. I got you to the park, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you on the next location. Take care. Peace.